Hi, we're here at Sun and Fun, and we're proud to say we've unveiled a new product for jet shades. Let me tell you, after 3,000 aircraft flying with jet shades, we've learned a few things. So like any other company, we're really trying to improve the product, make it more compact, perform better, and of course at a lower price. So we did some customer feedback, and the customers were telling us, hey, sometimes my jet shades fall out. Hey, those are kind of stiff, I can't bend them into position. Hey, they seem to blister and bubble after they get hot. And it was like, well, how can we solve all this? Oh, I don't want to fly it to a dealer, and hey, of course, they're too expensive. So we redesigned them. And he said, let's start from scratch and try to solve all these problems with a redesign. And out of that effort came something called the Jet Shades Ultra Thin. Now this Ultra Thin has the same performance characteristics as our Jet Shade, blocking 99.9% UV. They'll block 76% infrared heat. They'll actually block, measured on a BTU meter, 58% of the BTUs coming into your aircraft will be blocked by these jet shades. They cool off a cockpit when you do a whole set at least 15 to 20 degrees. So they make you cooler. There's two variations of it. There's a darker tint that blocks more, and then there's a standard tint that's for the pilot visibility. Now these Ultra Thins, the great thing about them is the owner can cut them and install them. Instead of flying to a dealer, you get a good sharp pair of scissors. We provide the videos on how to do this and templates. And they're so thin that you can just pull the trim of the aircraft back just a little bit and slide the Ultra Thin back up behind the window, and then just stick on our little buttons, and that holds it in place. It's a simple install, and because it's behind the trim, it looks great. No cutting, no trying to finesse the trim around it. So Ultra Thins are easy install. They're been tested to hold up to 200 degrees with no bubbling or blistering. And finally, they're just about half the price of our standard, our professional series jet shade. So we've met our objectives of making something that's a little bit less expensive, more durable, and the owner doesn't have to fly it to a dealer. They're called Jet Shades Ultra Thins. So just released at Sun and Fun 2022 is the Ultra Thins. We still sell our professional series. They get done by a dealer. They look great. They work great. They're more rigid. They have a solid, almost like a glass look to them. These are for the ones that, the homeowner wants to build something that gets the same performance, but they can do it themselves and spend less money. And it's the Jet Shades Ultra Thins in our Jet Shades Professional series. So common question is, all right, Kevin, you say they're less expensive, like how much less expensive? And well, it's pretty less expensive. If you bought our Cirrus Professional series, Total Solution Premium, it's about $24.99, and you have to get it installed. That could cost you $400 to $600. At Sun and Fun, you can buy our Ultra Thins complete package, Total Premium, for $12.99. So you're talking about half the price of our premium package, professional series is our Ultra Thins. A Diamond DA 4042, those run about $2,000 for our premium set. We're going to price them around anywhere from like $1,200. You can get a Diamond done. That's the rear windows, the front windows, windshield, everything. And that's taken out, 15, 20 degrees out of that Diamond cockpit. So the prices, depending on the plane configuration, are anywhere from 40 to 50% less money for an Ultra Thin. So to learn more about this, Ultra Thins are so new that they're not on our website yet, because we really worked just to get them for Sun and Fun. And I say work like to 3 or 4 in the morning the night before Sun and Fun. But we got them here, we're trying them out, and people are eating them up. So give us like 2 weeks before our packages are on the website. So give us about a month for the Ultra Thins to be out there, get it all ironed out. But you can find out more information at www.jetshades.com.